Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new video. In this short video I'm going to show you how to install VS Code on Windows. There are actually two different ways on installing VS Code on Windows. We are going to cover both in this video. Now, as you guys know, we always provide a written article that goes along with our videos, and if you pull up that article, you can find the step-by-step instructions by clicking on the link in the table of contents, and you will see all of the instructions that we are going through in this video. Now, this makes it a little bit easier for you guys to follow along. I dropped the link to this article in the video description below, or if you watch this on Humix, you'll find it on the upper left corner of your screen. Now, with that being said, let's go to install VS Code. Probably the easiest way to install VS Code on Windows is by using the Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store by clicking on it in your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and typing in Microsoft Store or just Store, and then opening up the Microsoft Store here. Now, let's see how long that takes us for the Microsoft Store to load. I usually use the way to download it via the website and just running the installer, but why not using the Microsoft Store if it's already there? So then you type in Visual Studio in the search bar, and that should bring up Visual Studio Code. There it is already. Just click on it. That opens up the menu here, and then click on Install. And it's downloading and installing Visual Studio Code. Should just take a couple of seconds here to finish. And there it is. It took about 2 minutes to finish up. And now if we open up our app menu by pressing the Windows key, we already see Visual Studio Code was added down below. And if you click on it, it should open up. Now let's actually check if you're on the latest version of VS Code. That a little bit bigger here so we can see the menu. Then we click on About, and 174.0, that's the latest version. So it actually downloads the latest version right out of the Microsoft Store, which is to be expected because it's a Microsoft app, and you have VS Code installed on Windows. Now if you don't want to use the Windows Store, of course, you can always open up your browser of choice, which in my case is Chrome, and then you can just go to Visual, I think it's code.visualstudio.com, and that brings up the VS Code page. And once you're here, it automatically recognizes you're on Windows. Then you click on Download for Windows, the latest stable build. This will open the download and download the file, and once the file is downloaded, you just click on it, and this is also going to install VS Code on Windows. And I'm on Windows 11, by the way. It works the exact same way on Windows 10. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you like that. If you want more rapid fire tech videos, tech instructionals, make sure to subscribe to this channel. This will be your source for anything ethical hacking, Linux, configuration things, web development, programming, and so on. If you look for long form content and long form video tutorials, make sure to follow @StefanRose on YouTube and on Twitter as well. This is where we post our long form content in long form video tutorials. We just released a complete Astro.js web development tutorial series that we highly recommend you to check out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope to see you back in the next one. Until then.